Assalamu alaikum dear students. We are discussing different forms of normalization in database. Our today's topic is partial dependency. A dependency in which one or more non-key attributes are functionally dependent on a part of primary key but not all is known as partial dependency. For example, in this employee relation which consists of employee ID, name, department, salary, course and date completed attributes. This relation have a composite primary key which consists of employee ID and course attribute. There exists partial dependency in this relation. Partial dependency in the above relation creates redundancy. It results in certain anomalies when the relation is updated. These anomalies in an employee relation are as follows. Insertion anomaly. Suppose we want to insert a new row into the relation employee, we must provide the value of both employee ID and course because these attributes are selected as primary key of the relation. So whenever we want to enter a new record in employee relation, we must provide employee ID and course attributes. Otherwise, we will not be able to enter data in this relation because primary key cannot be null in any relation. Deletion anomaly. Suppose we want to delete a row of an employee. So we will also lose the information about employee who have completed a course on a particular date. Modification anomaly. Suppose the department of an employee is changed. In this case, we must also update multiple rows. It is because a single employee may exist in multiple rows. This problem is known as modification anomaly. So in today's lecture, we have discussed partial dependency. Partial dependency is a type of dependency in which non-key attributes are dependent on part of primary key, not whole primary key. This partial dependency may exist in many problems are also called anomalies. These anomalies are insertion anomaly, deletion anomaly and modification anomaly. These anomalies create problems when we want to insert new data, delete some data from the relation or modify some data in the relation. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.